Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making Alfredo chicken pizza roll. I know, it sounds really yummy. Stu likes to come home with random items from the store, and he brought home pizza roll from Pillsbury today. So I am ready to make this delicious chicken Alfredo pizza roll. But before we do, we have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon. The recipe and links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below, along with the link to our cookbook. And we have a Facebook group, Stovetop Omnia Oven Fans. Watch this video because there will be a hint on how to win the Omnia thermometer.
It's so cute.
It is, right?
Okay, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Definitely Stu's hungry. I'm ready to make this Alfredo chicken pizza roll. Let's get going.
So a lot of people like to use the silicone with the older baking grate. We're just going to try it with the new baking grate. See if that makes any difference, good, bad, or indifferent.
Now I'm using leftover chicken cutlets from last night's dinner. Any kind of chicken you guys have, whether it be leftover rotisserie chicken, any kind would be great for this dish.
See, not so hard. Why are so many people afraid of doing this?
It's terrifying. Now that we have our chicken placed on the dough, I'm adding some bacon bits, real bacon. Just sprinkle generously. One of Stu's favorites. If you want to win this Omnia thermometer, please comment. Stu loves green onions.
Good luck.
Yes.
And now you got to get it in.
I do. Oh, that's what he said. Just really pinch this together. For those who do not know, if you add a little dollop of water into your beaten egg while baking, this will produce a really pretty yellowish brownish color and will leave it with like a gloss on top. And if you want to get really fancy, add some sesame seeds.
I guess I have to clean all that up.
Yeah.
And for those of you who are newer to using the Omnia oven, you will often hear the words low and slow. So I'm going to put this on a low flame and we'll keep an eye on it.